Too many people are never educated about money and how it works. Sadly, many people think that wealth is achieved through inheritance, the support of a rich family, luck, greed, or fraud. The school systems around the world train employees, not entrepreneurs. Starting your own business, investing, and pursuing financial freedom is seen by most men as risky gambling. While going to college and working a job for 40 years is thought of as safe. The majority of people think that you must work hard for a safe paycheck and build up a retirement account over decades. Few stop to think about where jobs and products come from or who creates them. The makers, builders, capitalists, investors, and entrepreneurs are the ones that grow wealthy from providing the goods, services, and technology everyone else uses. The biggest single step you can take toward wealth is disconnecting your time from money. Finding ways to make money through leverage is the key to wealth. The common understanding of finance for most people is, money equals time spent working at a job. That's wrong. The way the wealthy see finance is, created value equals money. You are rewarded in the marketplace for what you provide to it. Whether it's your work through a job or services you provide through a business, that's where money comes from. Millionaires are created by creating millions of dollars in value in the marketplace. Most billionaires create their wealth by building businesses worth billions of dollars. What are the 3 laws of building wealth? Number 1, solve an existing problem in the world. People pay for their problems to be solved. If a customer is hungry, they will pay for food. If they are bored, they will pay for entertainment. If something doesn't work, they will pay for it to be fixed. The bigger the problem you can solve for the most people, the more you will be paid. If you look at all the biggest companies, their success came because they solved a problem in their industry. Google made the problem of searching the internet easily. Apple put a supercomputer in everyone's pocket, solving endless problems of communication. Amazon made retail shopping from home easy, solving the need to go to stores. You don't have to build the next big cap company, just solve a problem that you see. You will be paid in proportion for the quality of the solution and your ability to scale it. Number 2, free your income from being time-bound. You will never build huge wealth if your income is tied to your time. You must separate your ability to make money from the time you spend working. Wealthy people don't sell their time to an employer for money. Wealthy people buy other people's time for their own businesses to create leverage for their ideas. Wealthy people spend their time building value in their businesses and cash-flowing assets they own. They work for growing equity value, not a paycheck. Number 3, scale your idea. Once you have a solution to a problem, then scale your effort. The software can be scaled infinitely and sold over and over with no increased effort or time. This is why Microsoft was one of the most successful companies of all time. Royalties for a book can make you money while you sleep, as all effort is upfront on its creation. Knowledge for solving a problem can be scaled through an e-course or YouTube video. The greatest way of all to scale is by creating a business where your employees solve your customers' problems. Your business model is the solution. That was it for this video. Subscribe to be 1% better every day. Till the next time.